Hey guys, Ray from loveyourrv.com. Today I'm doing a little repair to my rear ladder. It's been a chronic issue with the black plastic end caps on this ladder have over the years constantly cracked as I use it. The ladder is listed as a Kemberly-Atwood ladder. I guess it was maybe started out as a Kemberly company and maybe Atwood bought it. Anyway, over the years I've had to keep replacing them, and I even had a tip on loveyourrv.com about it. Recently I've had a couple people contact me by email. One guy had a really interesting fix for it. He put in aluminum angle brackets. I'll show you a picture of that. And then I was, in February I was contacted by a fellow named Terry, and he said that they have a new redesign for the plastic end caps out. He had contacted some of the company reps and they pointed him to a place to order new end caps. So these are the old ones. You can see there's 3 holes in them, and you can see where they would crack there on the top, usually right there. I have one really bad one right now on the ladder. Maybe I'll just give you a quick video of why it's so dangerous if you let them go. Here's a close-up of my worst one, and you can see when I put some pressure on that, and that doesn't have much more time where it might collapse completely, so it shows you what can go on there. Yeah, so you can see there it's badly cracked, and eventually that whole rung is going to collapse and down I would come. So anyway, these newly replacement parts have been redesigned. They've done away with the outside 2 holes, and on the inside hole here, rather than having them like kind of a bevel countersink there, they've gone with more of a flat hole inside there. So supposedly that's going to solve the problem of the cracking, I hope. Anyway, so I'll show you where I got them here. I just got 12 new ones ordered in here. I'll put a link to the company online that I ordered them from. Again, a hat tip to Terry for sending me the link. And you can see they were only 99 cents each. 99 cents times 12, $11.88. And then there was $16.50 USPS first class. That was the cheapest shipping I could get. But still, $28.38 wasn't too bad. Before, these old ones, I was spending anywhere from as cheap as $3 up to $8 or $9 per plastic end. So yeah, it's quite a bit of improvement. And you know, it's your safety that's involved, so it's important to replace these. So I thought I'd put out this video for any of those people that have the same ladder as me. My rig's about 7 years old, so a lot of the ladders have been changed over the years, but there's still a lot of these out here, so I thought it'd be good to put out a video just as a little tip to ladder owners, maybe save someone from a nasty fall. So let's go install these puppies. Door replacement's pretty easy. Just got to take out the 3 screws that hold it, and then we'll only be putting back in the one extremely long screw. Yeah, they just kind of pull out, and you can see how things work in there. I just use my power drill to get it most of the way in there, and then at the end I'll hand tighten them, because you don't want to over tighten them or you'll end up cracking the plastic. That's good enough. So here's a close-up of the worst one. Let's give it a flex here. You can see, you know, that's not good. So I can see a lot of people probably are going to run out to their RV now and have a look at their ladder. But it's worth it, you know. Taking your life into your hands sometimes, climbing up there. Nasty fall could be the end of your RVing career, if not your entire life career, so worth a look. Anyway, I have nice new end caps on mine, so feeling safe there. So, why do I have a nice view of a garage? Not our usual beautiful boondocking view. But we're visiting some friends in Southern California, and we're kind of boondocking in their driveway. Nice enough to invite us. We have full hookups, sewer, water, and electric. Awesome. Super fast Wi-Fi too. So, I also took advantage of getting some packages sent here. That's how I got the replacement end caps. I also ordered myself, I've been wanting to get one of these. It's a device you put in your water hose line, and it reads out in gallons. So I'll do a little video on that, show you why I wanted that and how it works. And also I ordered this, it's called a buck converter, and it's going to convert my 12 volt battery voltage down to the 4.5 volts I needed for my weather station. Remember, I'll put a link to the weather station video, but I installed a weather station that runs on the inside, runs off batteries, and just the alkaline battery. So I wanted to run it off my main battery, but it takes 4.5 volts. So I picked this little thing up on Amazon for, I think it was about $9. So cool little thing. You can automatically set the voltages. So I'll have a little video on that. And also, if you remember, wasn't too long, probably in December, I installed some clear source water filters for my rig, and I've been using that, filtering all the water we use for boondocking for the last 3 months. So I'm going to pull that apart. I have some replacement filters to put in there, and we'll pull that apart and see how much crud the filters picked up in 3 months. So until next time, Ray from LoveYourRV.com. Stay tuned. Cheers, folks.